If you've ever needed to save a whole folder from Google Drive onto your computer, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to download an entire folder from Google Drive, step by step, without having to open every file one by one. This is super useful if you're backing up school files, work documents, project folders, photos, or anything else stored in Drive. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the Google account that contains the folder you want to download. Once you're inside Drive, take a moment to locate the exact folder you need. If you have a lot of files and folders, you can use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you see the folder, don't open it just yet. Instead, move your cursor over the folder and right-click on it. This will bring up a menu with several different options. From that menu, look for the Download option and click it. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will begin preparing the folder for download. If the folder contains a lot of files, or if it has many subfolders inside it, Google Drive may take a little time to compress everything into a zip file first. That's completely normal, so just wait for the process to finish. Depending on the size of the folder and your internet speed, this could take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the zip file is ready, your browser will automatically start downloading it to your computer. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves files by default. You should see the zip file there with the name of your Google Drive folder. Now you can double-click it to extract the contents and access all the files inside. If you want, you can move those files to another location on your computer, back them up to an external drive, or upload them somewhere else. One important thing to keep in mind is that very large folders may take longer to compress, and in some cases, the download might pause or fail if your connection is unstable. If that happens, just try again after refreshing the page or using a more stable internet connection. Also, if you're downloading a shared folder, make sure you have permission to access it first. Without the proper access, the download option may not work the way you expect. So to quickly recap, open Google Drive, find the folder, right-click it, select Download, wait for Google Drive to create the zip file, and then save it to your computer. That's it. You've successfully downloaded an entire folder from Google Drive. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.